Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 911 GT3. It's a winged GT3. Jet black metallic. It's over a stunning Riviera Blue interior that we'll see in just a moment. What a nice car. This has paint protection film over the entire car, including the rear wing. So that's all fully covered. Silver wheels, it really sets off the jet black metallic. It does have front axle lift, which is awfully nice, especially if you have a steep driveway and or speed bumps that you regularly go over. Let's take a look at this beautiful interior. Just a stunning interior. These are Porsche's 18-way seats. You have the deviated stitching in Riviera Blue as well. There's the Bose stereo. 18 ways. You've got the additional bolstering around your shoulders and your hips and thighs. You also have adjustment via these two buttons right here to either loosen or tighten those bolsters. As we get inside, this one is a 6-speed manual, so that's a nice to have. As it sits, 22 miles, like new. But it does come with a additional CPO warranty, which is awfully nice. And we'll start it up. Again, front axle lift. Not sure if you're familiar with these new dashes, but this is now the fully digital dash. You can actually cycle through a couple of different screens. That was the traditional 5-dial that we were originally looking at. Now is the 3-dial. You can switch between these, and there's additional information back behind. As you go deeper, switch to this one, and we see the G-force meter, speedometer. If I go to the center, these are the different looks. For the track, you can get the red line up at the top. You can also change this so that it looks traditional. And then as we come down, those are the various screens that we have. So just a really nice winged GT3. This Riviera Blue is just amazing. We've had a few cars that have come through with this interior, and it's very different and very popular. Any questions, reach out. Randy Witt at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.